Hi, Good Shepherd. John Jar here, and welcome to this Music Minute. It's a holiday week. 4th of July is this Sunday, and so I thought let's sing something that was dating from that period of time. Declaration of Independence was signed July 4th of 1776, and the words to this next hymn were actually written about 3 years after that. And this tune is the one that has been sung. This is the oldest American hymn tune that we're aware of. The hymn tune is called Coronation, and it's because we have this kind of distinctive, they call it horn fifths, in the second line of the hymn. Anyway, this is the hymn, All Hail the Power of Jesus' Name. All hail the power of Jesus' name, let angels prostrate fall. Bring forth the royal diadem, and crown him Lord of all. Bring forth the royal diadem, and crown him Lord of all. O seed of Israel's chosen race, now ransomed from the fall. Hail him who saves you by his grace, and crown him Lord of all. Hail him who saves you by his grace, and crown him Lord of all. Hail him, you heirs of David's line, whom David Lord did call. The God incarnate, man divine, and crown him Lord of all. The God incarnate, man divine, and crown him Lord of all. Sinners whose love can never forget the wormwood and the gall. Go spread your trophies at his feet, and crown him Lord of all. Go spread your trophies at his feet, and crown him Lord of all. Let every